Welcome back. Hopefully you were able to find out if the main program that you work in is a standard or a description. We're going to move on now to two documents, particularly the second one, the Framework for Programs of Instruction, that can help guide any curriculum development that we do. So the Ontario Qualifications Framework, or OQF, is sort of an overarching document from the ministry that details all post-secondary level credentials and their requirements. From that, the colleges asked that they have a specific document that they could refer to. So from the OQF, the Framework for Programs of Instruction was pulled. And so we're going to take a look at that now. Okay, so when you click on the link I provided, it will present a PDF to you. It's a PDF document. And on page 11 is where Appendix A starts. So this is probably the most useful part of this document for you if you're involved in curriculum work. And as you scroll down, and we'll just change the orientation, across the top, you will see the different college credentials that we or private colleges might provide, the different levels. And then down the left-hand side, you'll see the criteria expected within those credentials. So it starts off with the complexity of those program outcomes. Then it moves into EES, or Essential Employability Skills. And then general education, which we talked about, that breadth requirement. And then you'll find it moves into typical duration for completion. So how long should the program be, as well as some other criteria further down.